President Bongbong Marcos fired him from his post as the immigration chief. He earlier warned that, quote, heads will roll after learning that Guo fled the country almost 2 months ago. Justice Secretary Boying Rimulya said he was the one who told the president to sack Tansinko. He said it has something to do with multiple immigration issues, including the escape of Alice Guo.
I have asked the President to relieve him and to replace him. Nagkasundo na kami ng Pangulo.
Nagkasundo meaning he will be
Papalitan siya. Oh.
Kailan?
If I were him, I'll resign already. Mag-resign na lang siya.
Wala pa naman sinasabi about yung involvement ni Tansinko kay former immigration chief Tansinko kay Alice Guo. He's just saying at this moment, of course, accountability-wise, the buck stops at his office and under his watch, may nakatakas.
At true to the statement of our president, si President Bongbong Marcos,
first
sinabi niya, heads will roll, eto na nga, rolling in the deep. Kanta ba ito?
Unang head gumulong na.
Oo, di ba? So hopefully ay malaman pa natin kung ano-ano pa yung mga
Sino pa yung
sino-sino
mga,
pa na, di ba? Kasi yun nga tulad ng sinabi mo, not necessarily sinasabi siya ay may kinalaman sa pag-alis.
But he was the head kasi of immigration.
Yes. At saka tapos nadagdag pa yung mga, of course, yung mga tauhan niya sa Bureau of Immigration na mga nagpa-selfie, 'di ba? Ginawang celebrity itong si Alice Guo.
But lessons learned dito, also the government should find ways na may beyond the control kasi Bureau of Immigration budget-wise, find ways to secure our borders. That it's very difficult kasi archipelagic in nature So madami tayong exit and entry points. How do you secure these entry and exit points? Yan ang pag-usapan nila. Moving forward.
Oo, at saka hindi lang sila dapat nakatuon. Of course, importante to yung nangyari kay Alice Guo na yung paano siya nakaalis dito sa bansa na without us knowing. And of course, importante yung iba pang ahensya na alam mo yun, kasabot here, no? I'm not allegedly, no? Pero sinasabi ko yung mga naging proseso nila, like for example, pag-release ng birth certificate sa, ang tawag dito sa Philippine Statistics Authority. Di ba? Pagkakaroon ng multiple passports ng ilang Chinese individuals here in the Philippines, di ba?
A lot of things to look at.
Oo, marami yan eh.